Most people chase the film look, very few understand the physics behind it, and even fewer folks know how to build it. And let's be real, getting film look is easy, but replicating film behavior isn't. It's like trying to hit a moving target, and that's where DCTL comes in. Most people don't even know they exist, yet they are one of the most powerful tools inside Resolve. So, what exactly is a DCTL in Resolve? It stands for DaVinci Color Transform Language. Basically, it's a custom code that lets you create your own color grading tools. Things like film emulation, grain, halation, contrast curve, and even your own LUT style looks. Think of it as a way to build features that Resolve does not give you by default. That's exactly what I did with SumerFade project. SumerFade is a single node film emulation plugin designed for both display refer and scene refer workflow inside DaVinci Resolve. Think of it as a set of tools that lets you bring the feel of real film into your digital footage without needing complicated workflow. All information about SumerFade plugin is updated on our website with clear, transparent terms and conditions. And the best place to start with our free SumerFade plugin, which you can download from our website at no cost. Once it's in your node, select your negative stroke and print stroke. Now you don't need years of color grading knowledge or perfect setting to get film texture because your footage is already running through a film accurate pipeline. Now pick your camera color space and gamma, and here we go. On top of that, if you want to replicate film grain halation, film damage and gate weave, you can replicate with just one single node. And that's how you get film response pipeline in just one single node. And that's it. No extra setup, no extra node, just drop it and start grading. Now let's quickly see how to install it and start using it. Extract the download file, copy it and paste it into your LUT folder, and that's it. Now drag your DCTL on top of your footage. Now select your input gamma and input color space according to your footage. Now start adjusting your footage using push and pull and exposure controls. All sliders are designed to behave like real film pipeline, giving you more natural and film accurate response. If you want to take it further and replicate a true film texture, just add the film texture DCTL on top. Enable grain, choose your format, for example, I'll go with 35mm grain. And you can also replicate other film texture like film damage, halation, gate weave, film border and film bloom. And that's the SumerFade project. A streamlined, flexible way to bring film emulation into your digital footage. In the end, I just want to say great film shot on both. It's the artist who make great art, not the canvas. And let film be film. Let's make digital feel like film. I will meet you in the next session with more in-depth look development with using our film emulation plugin.